So today I'm making a lemon chicken and herb recipe with a side of veggies, which are going to be carrots and red potatoes. If you want to see how it comes out, then just keep watching. Okay, so I rinsed the chicken, cut off the fat, and now I seasoned it. It's all done already. I used 3 pieces of chicken for 3 people, and this piece is a little smaller, so I'm gonna cut off a little bit of the chicken off of one of the big ones and add it to that one once it's done cooking. That way everybody has decent portion sizes of the chicken. I'm gonna show you the seasonings that I used. To season the chicken, this is what I used. I used some salt, pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, rosemary, and a little bit of thyme. So I used more of the rosemary and a little bit of thyme, but I did use all of these seasonings to season the chicken. So I don't have an oven to use right now because the oven in this house is not currently working. So we do have this toaster oven, which I'm gonna try to use to cook the chicken and the veggies that I'm gonna make on the side, which I'll show you after. But I'm gonna try to cook everything in here. So I'm using this toaster oven. To fit everything in it, these 2 fit in there. I'm gonna put the chicken in one and then the veggies in the other, and it'll be dinner for 3 people. Okay, so I added some regular oil, vegetable oil, into these 2 pans, and I'm gonna put the chicken in this one and the veggies in this one. Okay, before I do that, I just want to show you I have some red small potatoes. You can do smaller sized, or this size is good too. You can either leave them whole like this and like cook them in the oven, or you can chop them. I'm gonna chop them since it's just easier. And then I'm gonna rinse some of these and then throw these on the side with those in the smaller pan. And then I'm gonna try to cook it all together in the little oven. So once you finish putting the lemon juice in here, make sure you take out all the seeds with like a fork and then pour it on your chicken so it can sit for a little bit. I'm gonna cut this lemon into like thin slices to put on top of our chicken. Obviously you could take the seeds out of these too. Place it on top, just all over the place. I'm gonna cut up a few more and then I'll show you what it looks like. You can leave it like this, but I want a lot of lemon slices, so I'm gonna layer it. with a little bit more. So that's what it looks like. Now we can put it in the oven to cook. I'm gonna put it on bake. So on bake. And then we're gonna do, let's do 400, and then we'll put it on for about 25-30 minutes. Keep checking on it. If it needs more time, we'll give it more time. Add a little bit of the rosemary on top of the lemons. Maybe a sprinkle of lemon pepper. Okay. Do about 30 minutes. We're gonna put it on for 30 minutes and check on it. I'm going to season these and then add some more oil to it and add a little bit of lemon juice to it. Dumped it into a little bowl, the closest thing I could find, quickest thing I could find. Just put it on there. Some pepper, salt. We'll do some lemon pepper, and we'll do some parsley flakes. Let's do a little more rosemary. I've never tried this. This is my first time making this, so hopefully it comes out good. You want to just mix it all together. Okay, so I mixed it up with the seasonings. I also did add, I already did add a little bit of the lemon juice. I just poured a little bit over it. And then I did add a little bit of garlic powder. So I used everything to season this minus the thyme. Did everything the same, added a little bit of garlic powder and lemon juice. And now we're ready to put in the little oven. So right now it's at 20 minutes. We will wait till it's completely done. We'll wait till the timer goes off, obviously checking on it throughout, but once this timer runs out, hopefully the chicken will be done. But the vegetables probably will need about 10 more minutes or so. So we'll just keep checking on it, but I'm guessing it's gonna be roughly between 30 minutes to cook total for both of them. Okay, so this is the finished product of the lemon chicken and herbs. It looks really good. My first time making it, so hopefully we all enjoy it. I added some bread to the side. So I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.